Have you ever seen the vibrant beadwork of Zulu maidens? Each colour tells a story: red for love and passion, white for purity and spiritual connection, green for growth and new beginnings. Black symbolises life and ancestral energy. These beads aren't just decoration, they speak a language. Every pattern, every bracelet, every waistband reflects emotion, status, or a message to a loved one. And during the Reed Dance Festival, the maidens shine in their full glory, proud, pure, and deeply connected to tradition. Zulu beadwork is fashion with meaning, culture in colour.